Hey, and welcome back. We're going to be talking about how to pay the vehicle after you won it. First thing first, you're going to have to check if you actually won the vehicle. You're going to go under your won vehicles. First thing, if your vehicle doesn't pop up under to be paid, it might be under pending. So they have to send an email out to the insurance company, whoever owns the vehicle, and it has to get approved of the amount you sent in. Usually if it gets pending and it gets approved after, means you've got a good value on the car. It was under what they were looking for. Once you go to be paid, you're gonna have how many vehicles you ever bought. I bought two today. Total for all of it's gonna be $2,081. You have a few ways to pay this. You can go in with cashier's check and pay it, but this is a couple hundred miles away from me, so I'm not gonna be able to do that. And then you have where you can hook up your bank to IA, but that's much harder. So I usually just do wire transfer. I go into my bank and I just do a wire transfer. Once you do a wire transfer, you are going to need stock numbers for both cars and your account number on the wire number. When they send it over, they ask if you want any comments or if you want to fill out an invoice, which I've never done. Other than that, you just go ahead and fill that out, and then go under to be picked up. It tells you how many days. Right here, it tells you I have to pay it by this date, the 15th. It must be picked up by Monday. Today is actually Tuesday, so I have a couple days to get them. They are pretty far. One is bid for $750, this one for $8. Average out the fees. It's a normal thing. If you do click on it, it will give you the fees. Oh, there you go. There you go. $750 buyer fee, internet fee, service fee. I don't have to pay taxes. I'm under a dealer license, so save a couple dollars there. Other than that, I'm gonna go pay the bill actually right now. So we'll probably see a couple videos about these cars. Just went ahead and logged back in, and I'm gonna go check if my bill got paid. It's not even a few hours. Everything's settled and paid for. I just want to make it clear again that when you do a wire transfer, it's got to be the exact amount, and you have to make sure the stock number of any vehicle and your account number are in there, so they can match. Because they just have a pool of money coming in, so they got to match where it goes. And once they got it matched and it says it's got paid, they'll take it off your account. If not, you're gonna have to call, and you're just gonna make a headache for yourself. So I got a few days to pick this up. I'll leave the form down below for your bank that you need to show to your bank and all that. Other than that, $25 fee for a wire transfer. Killed it with one stone on this one, so I saved me $25 if I got these on separate dates. But other than that, thank you for watching. You'll see a couple more videos about these cars, and hope you liked the video. And one more thing, if you give me a like and a subscribe, that'll be awesome.